Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 422, Technical Analysis for Crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe. You hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to the awesome articles that we cover here sometimes. There are no articles tonight, so there's no links. And you can also follow me on Twitter. Links also in the description, guys. Thank you for being here again on an awesome Friday night. Like I said, I hope you're having a great time. Tonight might be a historical stream. We're at 299 subs. Almost 300. So, I have a celebratory beer in hand. So, someone subs right now. It's going to be bottoms up, basically. Well, I'm not going to do bottoms up, but I have one beer left. I got to go run it to the store and get more. But that's not going to be until after the stream. Anyways, thank you guys for being here. Like I said, and let's jump on to the technicals. Let's see if we can get a historic 300 hit today. What's happening with market cap? We had bearish divergence, price action downside. We're still moving down. We're still managing to hold support at that 786 at $531.54 billion. We're sitting right now at 556.53 billion. Yesterday we managed to move down 5.07%. Approximately 28.97 billion. No chump change, right? It's quite a sensible amount. It's nothing compared to how much crypto can drop in a day, comparing that we could do 10% drop, but it's still a good chunk. Right now, starting to go up 0.78%, approximately 4.21 billion. Now, that is fine. I'm not super worried about crypto yet. You still get... It's going to be the weekend. It might be slow. Just keep that in mind, right? It could be a slow weekend. Let's pray for a slow weekend. I kind of want a slow weekend for a change. What's going on here? Let's see. 267, 2676, 115. I'm looking at the number here. 1.95726, right? So it's going slightly more, right? You're gonna wonder, why is this on orange? Well, I was charting offline, and I usually when I chart offline, I put it a different color. That way when we come into stream, we know that there's data that is different, right? So we have some hidden bullish for potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, that's fine. Looking for the potential movement up. We're starting to get it today, that's fine. Again, like I said, it's a weekend. It might be slow, might not be a super strong move. On that note, let's go check out dominance. Bitcoin at 63.90. What is happening with dominance? Yesterday it increased, right? 1.15%. Today's going down 0.07. And look at this, right? Yesterday, price of Bitcoin dropped. We had positive dominance. Today, price of Bitcoin's rising, and we have negative dominance, so that's fine, right? We know that sometimes they're inversely correlated, and that is fine. Now, on that note, I'm going to have a sip of beer. Cheers, guys. I hope you're having a great time and enjoying the weekend. Let's go check out the price of Bitcoin at 18,841. Am I worried about the price of Bitcoin currently? No, I'm not. A lot of people seem to be scared. A lot of people were talking about Bitcoin dropping. It just went down 4%. It's not a real huge drop. Bitcoin has been known to be doing more aggressive drops. Here it dropped 4.75. We still managed to drop less than this previous drop. Here it dropped like 8%, right? So again, it's not a huge drop. We just moved down slightly, that's fine. It moved a lot of crypto down with it, particularly XRP. XRP just was like a scaredy child and just run out of the party. And we know that happens, right? Again, I'm not dissing against XRP. We just know that people on XRP tend to drop it faster than other cryptos. I'm not sure why. This is the case, right? Bitcoin sneezes and XRP catches the flu, right? That's how it rolls. So today, trying to go up slightly. Do we have something on the daily? No. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Everything's okay. We haven't developed anything yet. Still, we just managed to come down here and wick the neutral zone, which is fine. We want to go back to neutral a little bit before we try to run up again. We're on a bull trend. Again, we have not been above this area for such a long time in a while. Now, we're going to check out time. Even back here, look at that, right? Most we have been overbought on Bitcoin. I'm just going to take a measure here. It's about 48 days, right? Up here, not even considering the small dip and out again. So 48 days. Let's look at how things are going right now, right? Let's look at how Bitcoin is doing. Look at this. From here to here, it's already 34 bars. So, if I take out the other times that we came back into the bought area back here, we might not even be doing that much, right? Overbought. So let's measure again real quick. Let's see, from here to here. From here to here. 34 bars, right? Right about the same. And let's check it out here also, where we also get that massive, massive peg at all-time highs. Right here, about 25 bars, right? So 25 days. So we are considering that we have not been this high since prior to the bull run of 2017, which is fine. Again, just checking out for data, right, that could work for some kind of analysis. But I do believe we've stayed up here for a long time. Now, coming back to neutral is fine. We're slowly cooling off, trying to pump back up. That's fine. We could try to rally again. We could try to go higher than this previous high, but we'll be doing strong bearish divergence by down, very likely, against the MACD. We'll see how that's going to play out if we get it. Right now, target is at 20, the 20 being at 18,358. And if we manage to drop there, the target would be at 17,781. So, you know, I'm not super worried about Bitcoin yet, like I said. On that note, let's go to the 4-hour chart. What's happening on the 4-hour Bitcoin chart? Did we develop anything? No, we're going higher, we're positive, higher on the other side, right? We dropped, pumped, and now we're dropping slightly. So let's see if we have anything here that could be of value. From here to here, we already established that we didn't have anything. High to low, positive was positive, high on the other side to lower point. Now let's check it out here. I do believe we might be creating some hidden bullish, and we are slightly creating some hidden bullish, right? I'm going to anchor it here. This candle still unsighted. Let's look at this. We're creating hidden bullish divergence. That could mean potential action to the upside, right? We know that. So we're getting that small pump. We're getting this movement here from negative to more negative. And a low point on the other side to a lower point. Creating, again, that hidden bullish that could potentially bring a small action to the upside. What's going on? Let's see. Stream Elements bot is running. Wow, awesome. They just tell me again that the bot's running. That's great. Let's go and keep on checking this out. Change track first. There we are. Again, potential reversal, or at least pump to the upside. Where we could go is a 20 on the 4-hour chart. That would be at 19,096. Could be an area for rejection. Remember, we're back in this zone. It could be a potential area of support and resistance. Crypto Boss Andrew. Hi, dude. How's it going, man? I haven't seen you in a while, Andrew. I hope everything's good. Can I look at NU Coin? Sure, bro. I can look at NU Coin. By the way, did you see that? We're at 299 subs, dude. Almost 300. It's going to be an awesome celebratory stream if we get to 200, to 300. I'm not sure what I want to do. So, you had COVID. Oh, snaps, dude. That sucks, bro. I hope you're doing good. You know, it goes out to all them naysayers that say that COVID is fake, dude. I hope you weren't out and, like, you know, miserable. I hope you were, like, asymptomatic for most of it. I hope you recover okay, man. Sure, man. I'll do new coin for you, bro. Anyways, let's check this out. Congrats on 300. I'm not at 200 yet, I think. I'm at 299. At least that's what this says. Let's see if it says 300. No, 299, dude. You feel better now? Look, it says 299. We haven't moved. It's still on sale like it's 1999. Oh, dude. Let's check this out. Let's keep it going, man. You're feeling better, dude? I hope that's, you know, I hope that's the end of it and you just keep on feeling better, man. Anyways, again, like I said, potential action to the upside on this hidden bullish. Target at 20. If we manage to move above here, we're going to try to face again the resistance of 19,496. On that note, let's go to the 1-hour chart. What's happening with the Bitcoin 1 hour? This is what I was tracking in their day. Was I worried about this drop? No, we found support. That was great. I was at 5 in the morning. I was fast asleep. You know, I wasn't really expecting it to drop here. We had the hidden bullish. We knew we could pump, and that was fine. Again, this was live yesterday, right? We talked about it. We did rally, hit that 20, and reject it, right? Again, not what we want to see. We took a nasty drop real quick. Again, found support at this beginning of the rectangle. Again, try to recover it, but failing, and on that fail, creating strong bullish divergence against the MACD. And that's something I was looking for, just to make sure that the market wasn't just going to keep on moving down. We found that we're being supported by that, so I'm happy with that. I'm not extremely worried, right? And we're getting back on this zone. We're still below the 20. We might try to get another crack at it. The 20 being at 18,954, right? Very close to 19,000. So let's see if we can manage to get up here. That would be very good for Bitcoin. Actually, if we get above the 20, could be really good. Potentially usher a rally. And like I said, it's the weekend. It might be slow. Let's go check out Ethereum. again, there's not a lot going on with Ethereum, right? I'm worried about this, right? It looks like this are both the same height. Here we open at, I can't see. 617. Here we open at, here we closed. So we open at 617, yeah, 617 on the dot. And here we closed at 616.77. Again, very close, right? I'm worried about this being a double top. And like I said, the move down will be about 13% hit. Right, that would get us somewhere around here. I'm not sure, like it hits right on that area here, 500 and, sorry, yeah, 507, right? On the dot. So yeah, that's our target, 507. If this is to be a double top. Now, I was worried about this being a potential double top. This could make it valid, right? This could be an Eve, this could be another Eve, or potentially an Atom if we zoom out, right? An Atom and then probably an Eve. That could trigger us down, at least this line. That would trigger this double bottom, right? Again, this potential small double bottom would trigger this double bottom, and that would get us a 13% drop from there, which I'm hoping is not the case, right? That would get us at least to 448, or somewhere around that area. So right now, like I said, Bitcoin, if Bitcoin manages to move up, this is going to move up. Might not worry about it. Again, we're facing resistance at 619. We're still floating between that 619.26 and the 547.74. Sorry. Just want to make sure that my phone's not doing anything weird. No, it's fine. It's just I was getting some kind of feedback on like speaker or something. You might wonder, why am I so bright today? Well, because the lights are dark behind me, and they're usually on. So I did that on purpose. I want to see how much better the stream was looking like this against the previous stream, and I'm going to actually catch the replay and compare it to yesterday's stream. And see which mood, or what suits the mood better for crypto analysis. Anyways, yo, let's keep on going. Right on. So that's what we have here for Ethereum. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? Low on the RSI to a slightly lower point, I would say. Let's see. Let's check this out here. High, high on the daily. Let's just anchor this on the daily. Right, like I said, low, negative, more negative. 55.90, 56, slightly higher, so we don't have it against RSI. But against the MACD, we have this strong, this hidden bullish divergence for potential reversal. On that note, let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we had bearish divergence. At resistance, we moved down, that's fine. I think we were live here yesterday. Yeah, live here. Still managed to move down on that. That's, nothing to worry about there. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. High, or low, lower low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point. Nothing on the bullish side on the 4-hour chart for Ethereum. Let's go to the 1 hour. 275. 250, yes. Again, we called the hidden bullish yesterday. Or sorry, the hidden bullish. We rallied, we hit that 20, and we rejected. So that's fine. Again, not super worried about this right now. Low, boom, boom, strong bullish. We don't have it against RSI. We hit oversold. Right now we're sitting sold at 37.28 and waiting for that action to go back to the upside, right? So that's it, man. That's it for Ethereum, right? Potential action to the upside and strong bullish divergence. Let's see if we can continue on the play to the upside. The target would be the 20 at 586.13. If we manage to get above that area, again, we could be targeting higher levels. We might find some resistance at this area, 599 or 600 area, and some resistance here at 611. If we move over there, then again, 619 would be the target, right? I'm not going to draw those resistances. They're early. They're just recently manufactured. Like I said, right, there's something around this level. Right, you can see that here was the top, here was the bottom, and here was the bottom as well, right? So I might even throw this line out here. Alt H. Right, that's a new line. I'll just write here new support. Or new resistance, actually. New resistance slash. It's not working because my keyboard's off. There we go. Backslash. Yes, there. Snap, it don't want to work. There we are. Backslash, yes. There we are. Or just do that one again. Like I said, there might be something around this area. I don't have a lot of hits here, right? But there could be something small. This will be the next one, and then up here. Probably as you can tell, we actually also wicked it up here. So I might draw something along this line also, right? There could be minor ones, right? I'm not going to put a lot of weight onto them. But there could be some areas of resistance. Minor resistances at that. New, I'll copy this one. Oh, awesome. It just pasted itself properly. So there we are. So on that note, let's see if we can continue to the upside. That's awesome for Ethereum. Let's go check out XRP, man. What is happening with XRP on the daily? Let's hope we get 300 subs today. If you're watching the stream live, hit that sub. Help us get to the magical number of 300. We're so close, man. 299. I'm waiting for it to like reload and show 300. I'm gonna be like super excited. I'm not sure how excited I'm gonna be, but I'm gonna be super happy, man. What's happening with XRP? Tanking 12% yesterday. Now, XRP did tank a lot. I'm a little bit upset with XRP and the way it behaved with the drop. I mean, like we said, like Bitcoin was around 2% or something almost negligible. 5% maybe tops. 4.01, right? And then Ethereum managed to drop by 7%. So, you know, but XRP just exponentially dropped 12%. It's like 3 times what Bitcoin dropped in value. So it's quite a sizable pullback. I found support at the 54.81 cent area. Right now sitting at 56.59, and we're trying to head back to 58.72, right? XRP overreacts, right? It's like that person that overreacts to everything. It's like, oh, dude, there was someone sneezed, and like, you know, they're calling like someone has Ebola or something like that, right? So they're like, XRP is like over-exaggerates the move sometimes. So I'm a little bit annoyed with that, but that said, there's really not a lot going on here. I mean, we are kind of making more negative momentum, as you can tell, right? This is almost unseeable at like 0.000166. Here we're at 6.4, right? So, of course, you're coming from low to high. Low, higher, low, right? And then here we're going from negative to more negative. We don't have it against the RSI. Still neutral at 58.17, so it's cool. We kind of cooled off on the RSI. We could try to go for another rally. Again, don't forget, XRP does have Flare Network coming out. Or not XRP, but there's Flare Network coming out. They're going to produce a Spark token. And with that, it could still bring a bullish sentiment into XRP because people are going to be wanting to acquire that so they can get their free Flare. And then probably after a snapshot, again, we're going to start to see a potential sell-off. Now, what's going on here? On the 4-hour, we're looking for some hidden bullish, right? We didn't get it. We didn't get it, right? We tried to move up. We hit the 20. We rejected. That's fine. You know, it's okay. We don't always have to get what we want, but you can't always get what you want, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side to lower points. Sold at 36.52. Try and get that potential pump. Again, let's see if we can manage to like bring this price back up. At least above the 58.72 cent area. Let's go to the 4-hour. Sorry, the 1-hour. On the 1-hour chart, we don't have Jack. Look, low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side to lower point. Even here, lower, low, more negative, and lower, right? So nothing really bullish happening with XRP. We did get our hidden bullish to play. Hit the 20 beautifully, and then he just rejected it massively, right? It's like a quick move down. Managed to find brief support here at 58.72, and then just move farther down. So, you know, that's fine. Not super worried again. Like I said, the rest of crypto has some bullishness to it, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's see if they can capitalize on that. And if we see Bitcoin and Ethereum capitalize on that, we might see XRP run up slightly more. So that's going to be good for XRP. Now, with that said, we're staying sold at 38.60. Nothing else to do here for XRP, man. Let's go to Litecoin. The Litecoin. Let's refresh. Let's see if we can get to 300 subs, dude. 299 still. Dang it. I'm going to check on my phone. Maybe someone subbed and it just didn't show up on the stream. Sometimes it doesn't show up on the stream, to be honest. So I want to check it out here, man. Still says 299. I'm enjoying a very, very nice beer, man. So what's happening here? Litecoin, 1-hour chart. Moving down again. It looks like XRP a little bit. So let's see what's going on here. High. Similar height, right? We didn't have bearish divergence, but this could be a potential double top. Again, just like Ethereum, right? What is this magical, mythical double top you speak of, Grand Sorcerer? I'll show you. This one. What's 2? This will be a confirmation line. If we break that, 13% move to the downside, very likely. Let's take a measure and see where we would go with that. So let's think about 13% move. $60, dude, right? It ain't that bad. It's a good chunk of value, but it'll be about around $60. Sitting at $80.56, by the way, on Litecoin, right? So, what's going on? Again, move back down, 10% loss. He didn't lose as much as XRP, but actually hold on a little bit better. Hit the 20 right now, are still below 20, trying to move up again. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a hard point. Neutral 54.15, so not a lot happening, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, high, lower high, positive was positive, high on the other side to a lower point, right? High negative, actually, or positive to negative. Just moving down, low, lower low, more negative, lower on the other side. Let's go back here. Low, higher low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a hard point. Sold at 39.49, that's it. Let's go to the 1 hour. And this is UNL chart. What do we do here? Hidden bullish, pumped, hit the 20, just like the rest of crypto, and then just move down, right, along with crypto. And his actually moved more similar to XRP, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. Even here, coming lower, more negative, lower on the other side right now. Sold at 37.94 on the other side, and that's it for this. Again, like I said, crypto's just being a little bit. Yeah, it did move down, not massively, but it's still a bit boring. Bitcoin Jake, I order a S9 for 120 buckaroos with a PlayStation Ultimate and shipping. That's awesome, dude. I want a PlayStation Ultimate. Is that not what PSU stands for, Bitcoin Jake? I don't know, I'm messing around. 299 subs, bro. Let's see if we can break the mythical 300. If you like what we do, hit that like that bell on that sub. 300, man, let's break it. I'm not going to ask you how many subs you're at, Jake, because I know you're probably going to be at a lot more subs than I am, so. Tonight it's going to be a chill stream. I'm actually enjoying the stream a lot. I want to chill. You have way less than I have? No way, dude. At some point in time, you were over me, dude. Like, you were over my sub count. So, I doubt it, bro. It doesn't show, though. I look you up, it doesn't show. It doesn't tell me, right? Look at this. It just says Bitcoin Jake 09. And tell me how many subs you have, bro. I want to see how many you had. Crypto Boss Andrew, you should promote yourself in TikTok. That's what I do. Do. All right. Do. Right on, dude. Litecoin pumping up a little bit. That means a lot of projects are probably going up slightly. What? You have your account on private? Oh, dude, that sucks. I should promote myself on TikTok. Yeah, dude. I'm not even sure how I could get this on TikTok. Right? Like, oh, look at the chart. It's beautiful. Oh, I talk about Bitcoin. Dude, I gotta figure it out. I think just like TikTok, I'm not sure if that's a market that is easily accessible for streamers, right? At least not this type of stream. Maybe I could do a small highlights. I'm not sure. I need to figure it out. It's a good idea, though. Go on TikTok and become a TikToker. Blogger. Litecoin on the 1 hour. Like I said, moving down. Nothing happening here. Let's go check out Binance. The Binance below the $30 mark, sitting at $29. We dropped below 20. Again, yes, it was 5% move, nothing huge. $29.07. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Low, high, even here. Low, high. Nothing happening on Binance. Let's go to the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, we had the bearish divergence, moved this down. Great stuff. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Nothing happening here in the short term. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour, we had the hidden bullish like the rest of crypto did. We took that small rally, and guess what? We hit the 20, and then we dropped along with every other project out there. Wow. The magic of crypto. Everyone's so organized. You make daily TikToks on crypto? That's awesome, bro. Good. Send me your channel. Put it on the Discord, bro. I'll check you out. Right? I'll check it out for sure. I should do like small news capsules. But again, my time's so tight during the day, bro. Like, because I have a real-time job, so that takes away from my ability to do other stuff in a day. So it's I cannot do editing. I cannot do a lot of stuff that requires my attention to be here. And yesterday was just freaking brutal, bro. Crypto Boss Andrew on TikTok. I'll check it out. The Crypto Boss. Let's go. Let's keep going. Let's keep rolling, right? Got stuff to move through, stuff to plow through. Bullish divergence, moving to the upside. Where we're gonna go. 29.49 would be a target if we get above that area. I really don't have anything else charted for this. So I just want to get above that area. Get very, very close to even that $28.50 mark. So, on that note, let's do DVT real quick, and then I'll do new coin for sure, man. I just want to see where DVT's at because it was really, really almost below it. Oh, it is below the 2 sat mark. That really, really blows. It's not good that it's below that area, man. Let's refresh this because it might be even lower than 3.5, dude. It is a 3.5. Wow. Yeah, 3.58. I don't like this. Now, it could be taking a hit now on DVT at current value. I can put a face to you. Yeah. That's fine. Alright, I'll check it out, dude. Let's do this. DVT? No, what the fuck? Sorry. What am I looking for? MACD. RSI. The RZA. I don't care about this one. This one I want to change. I'm going to change the columns and make it the color of green. Make it the color of money, man. Look low, lower, negative, less negative, strong bullish divergence. Nothing against the RSI because really it's just going flat. I mean, I'm not going to call anything here. It's going from one extreme to the other on the 1 hour, so you know. I don't think we should be charting this, but yeah. Against the MACD, we have strong bullish, so that would be in action to the upside. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, we notice that we have also that strong bullish divergence that is just failing to play off, right? Even here, short term, within the same island, we're just going lower. Wow. We don't have that here because it goes from 0 to 0, so you know it's just hard to chart against the 4 hour, and it's just annoying that it's also starting to become a replica of the 1 hour chart. We just go from one extreme to the other one. So that's it here, dude. Not a lot going on with DVT. It has a lot of bullish divergence. It's just not playing off. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low, lower, and even lower still. Look at that. Dude, low, higher. Right here we had bullish divergence. We took that pump, drop lower. Again, strong bullish divergence. We don't have it here, I think. So I would have to go here. Then from here to here. I think it's slightly higher, so I wouldn't have it in the second part against the MACD. But again, it's just not playing off, dude. It's not going up. Too much attention on the main cryptos and leaving some of the small projects out of the picture, right? Again, the good thing is that DVT is paired against Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up in value, inherently DVT goes up with it. So, oh, dude, look, Binance took a smaller rally here. Let's go Bitcoin. Oh, it's going for the 20, mate. Yeah, we talked about that. Oh, let's see if we can actually hit the 20. New coin. I don't think we ever looked at that. Andrew, what's the ticker for new coin? What? And but Jake, man, just let the bullish divergence keep building until the gate can't hold it back. Yeah, I hope so, dude. I hope that's the case. This one's out. I still have some in my glass. I just want to move this. New at 29.43. Right on, dude. Let's do new. NU. USD. There we are. New to the USD on Coinbase. There it is. It's magical. 29.41 cents. What? is this sorcery? It doesn't have a lot going on for it. It took a massive pump. It started 4 days ago. December the 2nd, 2 days ago. Wow, dude, this did really good. Galactic Atom! What's going on with the crypto market? Any main news? Just profit taking. Dude, yeah, I think right now I'm waiting for a potential bounce so I can take more profit. Then wait for another drop. Or potential drop. Still believe that XRP is going to get a potential movement up on the fact that, Flare Network is going to be releasing, and people are going to be wanting to claim that Spark token, which could drive the price up, or could be one of the driving factors for the price up. And once that happens, we might see a dump in XRP, so I'm actually going to be really, really glued to the screen post screenshot so that I can exit as soon as possible, because I do believe that the price might go down. It could be going up pre-snapshot and then stabilize a little bit. But after a snapshot, we might start to see XRP prices move down. So I do hope that my exchange at least has everything dialed in and the snapshot's taken automatically, and they're not going to give me any grief in case I sell at a minute past the snapshot. Because if they tell me that the my money wasn't there during the snapshot, I'll tell them, look, bro, so the snapshot was at this time. I exited like a minute later because the market was crashing. Not my fault. You're not taking the snapshot properly. So I don't trust my exchange. That's a problem. I think I'm actually gonna move my money to another exchange that I trust a little bit more. So news, dude. I haven't looked at many news today. To be honest, I've been super loaded with work yesterday and today, so I don't have a lot of news to talk about. And yeah, that's about it though. Bittrex doing the drop. I'm not sure if Bittrex doing the drop. Oh wow, interesting. Yeah, dude. I'm not sure. So let me finish new, and then I'll check out the exchange. Oh, let me check the exchange real quick. I'm not sure if Bittrex is gonna do that. eToro. Let's do this. Bittrex, yes, it was here. Bittrex. I was actually gonna move it to Bitrue. I'm on Bitso. I don't trust them. They go and tell everything to the government. So I'm about to leave their exchange. This is my onboarding exchange. So I'm actually thinking about letting them go to Bitrue or Bitstamp or Bittrex. I'm thinking Bitstamp because that's the chart I use for XRP. When's Snap? Oh, dude, Snap. Snap's gonna happen on December the 12th at midnight, Greenwich Meridian time. So, Bitso says here that they're gonna take it at December 11, 2020 at 16 hours. Sorry, at 18 hours of Mexico City time. But Flare on their site of Magic says that I think I actually have to look at it by month. Control F. Alright, so here it is. The first validated XRP ledger with a timestamp greater than or equal to 00 Greenwich Meridian time on 12 December 2020. So I'm not sure how they're going to consider the first validated XRP ledger, right, with an XRP. So I'm not sure how that's going to work or how quickly people are going to try to get out of it. It's the only thing I care about. Bitcoin Jack, I've used Bittrex since 2016. They've always been great and never sent me an ugly Christmas sweater the other year. That's awesome, bro. I'm actually enjoying Bittrex. Never used them, but Jake, are you saying what I think you're saying? Are you saying you're actually gonna buy XRP? Wow, we might be getting a converter here. Not sure. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to the 4-hour new. New coin on the 4-hour. I wish I could have. Or I didn't think about it, but I wish I could have a way to show the sub count, right? That way when we hit this magical 300 here, you can have a leprechaun party. Not sure what that means, but let's do this. Hit that that bell and that sub. Let's get to 300, man. Come on, 300. It's all we want. It's all we need, sir. It's all we're asking for, good sir. If you see the screen comes up and me flashing with the screen is because of the screen brightness. If you notice, today's stream is off because that light's off. So it's usually a little bit brighter and I'm not affected by the changes on the screen that I usually do. But right now, I'm trying something new. I'm trying to see how good this is, and we'll see. I'll put in my referral in your Discord. I might buy some just to dump both after split. Wow. Dude, that's cool. Bitcoin Jake's gonna hold XRP, everyone. I'm actually gonna tweet that. Kidding, man. Let's see what's going on here. We don't have any data on new on the daily. Why? Because we're going higher. We're starting to make something here on the RSI. Not a lot. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. And it's starting to do stuff, so I don't have a lot to go with technicals, right, Andrew? Sorry about that, bro, but let's see where we're at, man. We're coming higher, right? We're coming slightly higher, which is fine. High to low, right? We do have some bearish divergence against the RSI here. That's okay. That means price action to the downside. We are flagging, which is okay. I'm not super familiar with the project. Just keep that in mind. I'm going to try to do something. I'm going to go with this fib node. I'm going to try to measure. I know we're not going to be doing validators, but I don't have a lot of tools to go on for this. I just took the measure tool. That was dumb. I need the fib retrace. There we are. So low to high. Oh, snap. We did. I mean, if we consider the wicks, we are hitting a valid retrace. If we don't, if I just go here, and then just move that to consider the bodies. From the high, we are moving down. We might go for that 236. We haven't confirmed this as a local high. Crypto Boss Andrew, 301 for reals? We have 2 more subs? What? When? Thank you. Wow, that's awesome. It just still shows 299 here, bro. 299. Like no way, man. I already refreshed a couple times. Don't want to give me the goodies, bro. Let me go here. Refresh. Oh, 301, dude. Yeah. I'll be right back. 1 second. Yeah, bro! 301! Awesome! My little leprechaun buddy came here to celebrate with me. His name's Seamus! Say hi to Seamus. He can be drinking with me tonight. And you, Seamus? Yes, we are, laddie. Thank you, boy. Let's get their stream going, dude. Stream leprechaun. Great stuff. He's gonna be our celebratory mascot now for the stream. I think. It should be. 301! Yes! Let's keep this going. It's the only leprechaun I have, so I gotta take care of him. You have your beer full, dude? Yeah, it's full. Don't spill it. Party pooper. It's a streaming leprechaun, Jake. I know. Why not? It was either that or, yeah, that. I didn't have anything else to celebrate with. It's 300, man. Yay! Awesome, there we go. Mute. Thanks. 301. Yeah, dude, thank you. 301. Sorry, I didn't know I was muted. Thank you for letting me know. I'm not sure how long I was muted for, but this is Seamus, or Stream Leprechaun. He's happy because we hit 300 subs, and he came out to have a beer with me. Aren't you? Yes, laddie. Yes, there we go, man. Dude, how long have I had this channel? Wow, a year and 3 months? Year and 4 months? Year and 4 months, I think. Good stuff happening with crypto. 300 subs, dude. It should be like a commemorative day. I'm actually writing it down today. The 300 stream day event. For some reason, the bar in the bottom doesn't update. That's weird, right? I like if it doesn't show with like Barney Stinson coming out and saying like "What's up? What's up?" Like it doesn't update. That's just freaking weird. I'm not sure why. Like some subs count like that, then some subs don't count like that. That's just weird. Anyways, let's keep this rolling. Cause yeah. That tells her we're gonna check out, man. Yeah, let's go and do. I'm almost at 600 in our Bitcoin videos. Wow, dude. Jake, for reals? Is that how much you have in your channel? That's cool, man. Is it a good buy-in for new? Dude, I'm not sure. You're making all-time highs for this project. I'm not sure if that's a good end. But also, there's no history here, so I'm not sure, dude. You know, I'm trying to determine that. Look, you have bearish divergence strong. You're starting to pull back down. It could be flagging that you're doing or consolidation. You're heading for that 236 of the retrace, right? That would be a valid retrace. And if you drop there, you would be heading for the 20 and the 382 at 24. Not a lot of history, man. We're just looking at 2-day history for this chart, or this project. We're looking at actual 2 days, 10 hours. So it's not a lot, right? We don't have a lot of data. You're looking for 20, 25. Look, it could be that it comes here, it hits this area, and then it takes a bounce. It could come down here, take this area, and take a bounce. Take this area, take a bounce right now. I'm not sure. There's no history here, so it's not data rich. So it just makes it harder to do an actual analysis for it. Like I said, right now I'll be expecting this movement down happening. That's about it, though, right? How long would the movement go? Maybe get to this area, to neutral zone. You're still bought at 62.82. We'll see. Rich Satoshi, nice crypto regulation before New Year's. Which crypto regulation? I haven't looked at the news today, man, or yesterday, so I'm not sure which crypto regulation you're talking about, bro. If you can enlighten me, that'll be awesome, because I haven't looked. From 0.4 to 0.25, it's a huge drop. Yeah, but this could be a FOMO week, right? People FOMO'd in, they got burned, and then took a pop, and then drop, right? So it could be a FOMO thing. Bitcoin might see a huge whale dump. Yeah, I know there's people that are moving massive amounts of Bitcoin onto exchanges. There's talks about the fact that with so much volatility going on, whales can actually drop massive amounts of Bitcoin without causing a huge impact on the market, because we're seeing a lot of volatility, right? It's actually how whales can cash out, or wait for a drop, or cash out, drop a little bit, and buy back in at a lower price. So I'm not sure. Rich, give me some more info, bro. For reals, I'm intrigued now, and my little buddy here is also intrigued. Aren't you, Seamus? Yes. Dude, let's keep it rolling, man. That's new. So Andrew, I'm not sure, dude. I'm still trying to determine this coin because it's new. There's not a lot of data. The 4 hours empty. The daily is empty. It's just been there for like 2 days, the fourth day, right? According to market, but not a lot, right? So it's just hard to look at this and make an informed decision, right? Yeah, liquidity. Yeah. They're getting ready. They're getting ready. Dump. The U.S. getting ready to bring crypto regulations. Yeah, but really, does it matter? Like, people can go to other exchanges to do stuff, man, and there's like decentralized exchanges, and there's exchanges like that don't even require KYC, so you could just keep on doing stuff with crypto and only send back to your wallet whenever you need something, and do it to a different exchange, pass it to a different wallet, and send it back to you, right? So yeah, liquidity. That's why, even though I have 200,000 of DBT for 24 hours, what? I really didn't, because of liquidity. I knew I'm fine waiting long term. Laugh my ass off. All right. Wow. You had $200,000 worth of DBT? When it hit like 13 sats or something like that? Brian Brooks interview. Well, I'm gonna have to check that out, bro. Let's get the stream rolling. It was talked about regulation. Alright. When it pumped through like 06 2 months ago. Oh, but that was a quick pump, dude. That was just on Ethereum and it was on GravyX. That was an isolated event on an exchange. But yes, I agree with you. I would have also had a lot of DVT. Not as much as you, but I would still have a lot of dollars worth of DVT at that event. At that point in time. He hinted about new regulations. Yeah, but look, people speculate. We don't know if they're going to be good or bad. Like, the only thing that is true is, look, you know who Brian Brooks is? No, I haven't looked him up. Let me look him up. I'm not even sure who we're talking about. Brian Brooks. An American lawyer, banker, and entrepreneur, technologist, and government official. He became acting controller of the... Oh, yeah, I think I read about him. I just couldn't remember his name. Oh, the currency. Alright, controller of the currency. On November 2, President Donald Trump nominated Brooks to 5-year term as comptroller of the currency. He's actually a troller, dude. He says there. He says comptroller. Troller. He's trolling with the currency, bro. I'm kidding. He's not. Look, for reals, crypto, they can declare anything in crypto in the U.S., but crypto's still a global asset. So if the U.S. wants to go against crypto, they're just going to miss out on it because other countries are going to capitalize on that. So the question is whether or not the U.S. actually wants to lose part of that ground early on or accept or take part of that ground early on. The U.S. has been leader in a lot of things, including the internet and the dot-com bubble and the internet back in like the early 90s. And if they go against crypto, they're going to send so many companies out of the U.S. and so much money is going to flow out of the U.S. that they'd rather have it, they should do something, rather keep it in the country, try to do something else, and be friendly to crypto right now, at least until later on start regulating it for taxes. But right now they should be super friendly, because if not, they're going to miss out. People are still going to be wanting to do crypto, not just people in the U.S., people around the world are still doing crypto. So does it really, it's like if they wanted to go against gold. Would they really want to alienate themselves from gold just on, bad calls? And have everyone in the world hold the gold, and the U.S. is not going to hold anything. So is that what they want to do, right? I don't think they're going to come up with, bad regulations. They are never good regulations. They come from the government. Yeah, play this. The link's not going to come through, bro. You're going to have to send it on the Discord. If you did send it on Discord, let me know. Steve just checking in. What's the overall sense? Sideways, bullish, or bearish? Sideways. Sideways with a forecast of bearishness, trying to convert into bullishness. 300 subs, yay! Leprechaun Seamus came out to drink. And look, Bitcoin's probably gonna go for that 20 test, right? We're still moving sideways. We're still above that 17,781 and between that 19,496 and that area, right? So we know we're sideways, and we just pulled back down slightly, right? That was supposed to be the dude, Rich. I cannot see. Did you send it to me on the Discord? I think you did. Let me check. General. Oh, Bitcoin Jakes. Bittrex. I can't read your. Oh, that's Jake's stuff. Dude, Rich, your stuff's not gonna come through. You're gonna have to send it to Discord, bro, because you cannot send links. Why are alts not? Why are not alts pumping? Why are not alts pumping? I don't know. Why are pumping not alts? I'm not sure, dude. You sounded like Yoda there. Why aren't alts pumping? Yes, I agree. Just YouTube at Brian Brooks, CNBC. All right, I'll check that out. You have no Discord. Oh, dude, disrespect. I'll check it out. Why aren't alts pumping? That's good because Bitcoin moved down and everyone moved down with it. Lol, the drink is strong with you. Yes, Steve, the drink is strong with you and also with me. Thank you. Cheers. And have a great stream also. So. Dude. Seamus, cheers. Can you actually clink? Yeah, you can clink. I never used Seamus, dude. I bought him for St. Patrick's parties. And then I got married and I didn't go to any St. Patrick's parties. So Seamus stayed in the closet gathering dust for life until today. The day of the mighty 300 episode. 300 subs, not 300 episode. 300 sub episode. Yes. And Sheamus came out to drink. It's his first time actually drinking. Ain't that sad for a little leprechaun? Dude, right, I'll check that out, dude. Just give me 1 second. Why and else pumping? Because Bitcoin dump and everyone dumped with it. Everyone's doing similar moves. Except XRP and Litecoin that exaggerated the move to an extent. But look at this, right? Look at Bitcoin. Small drop there, right? And then trying to pump, right? Look at Ethereum, right? Small drop, slightly larger because it dropped 5% and trying to pump as well. Look, XRP just went down. It just died. It became a zombie, right? Like dropped all the way down here to 54.81 and then it took a pump, right? So that's great. And then what do we have here for Litecoin? Litecoin's doing the same thing, right? Look at that. Boom, drop and then trying to pump, and then Binance. Drop and trying to pump, right? Looking a little bit more like Ethereum than the rest of the coins, but yeah, it's doing that, right? Congrats on the subs. Yes, thank you, man. Right, Satoshi Rich. Let me check that out. YouTube.com. That's me, haha. And then my children obviously watch that. So, and then Peppers, why not? And Eminem, yay! And Ripple stuff, and the hardest decision among us, history. Wow, that sucks. For some reason, I don't even use this channel to view videos, and I just get recommended stuff. So that's weird. You said Brian Brooks. Interview. No, you said CNBC. I cannot play like large amounts of stuff because then I get like strikes. But which one is it, dude? 12 hours ago, this one. Justine, expect clarity in 6 to 8 weeks. Yeah, I read about that. I just haven't read the article. The video is freaking A. Don't tell me how many. 4 minutes. I cannot play that. It's too long. Yeah. I cannot play that. It's too long. And actually, I think Omar talked about it on Crypto. Right, so he talked about that. And yeah, that Thinking Crypto also published that. So a lot of people are talking about that. That's fine. I haven't looked at news today, dude. I had a super busy work today. Super busy work day today. And yesterday was the same. So I haven't looked at the news today. I was just looking at charts briefly. But that was about it, dude. Whenever I could squeeze a look at the charts, for me, more important was, to look at the chart than this. Like, the drop was at 5 in the morning, so I don't think the drop, right, this drop at 5, 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning, I don't think this drop had anything to do with that. Maybe the second drop could have, but I doubt it. Because we impulse down, we kind of flagged, and then we drop down again. Creating that bullish divergence, trying to move up. So, Steve, so can I buy Bitcoin? Yeah, you can buy whatever you want, dude. I'm not sure if you should, but you can buy whatever you want. Look, Bitcoin is trying to go for the 20, like I said. It's very likely going to test it. I'm not sure we're going to get above it, though, right? It's going to depend, dude. Because look at this. We're getting a lot of that indecision. We pumped, we undid it, then we pumped, and right now we're struggling to go higher. But if we do, we could be looking for a retest of that 20 at 18,857, and if we move above there at 19,496. Those are the targets. It is strong bullish. We're on a bull market. But again, we're consolidating that, right? We're just getting that sideways motion, and I don't like that. Right, look at the daily, dude. And the daily is just a flag that we're making, right? It doesn't look too bad. Slightly downsloping, right? Like that. And then here also slightly downsloping. So it's looking like a little like a falling wedge. And we know that falling wedges aren't usually bullish, and most of the time tend to break to the upside. So, dude, not too bad looking right now for this sort of consolidation that we're doing here in the short term. Again, Bitcoin has just been rallying forever, and this is just the short term of this impulse up that we have. So again, take it with caution right now. I'm waiting. I'm actually not selling because I'm not panicking out of anything. I'm waiting. That's my game right now. I know I have a clear exit, and I'm waiting for it to trigger. And that's it. Should you buy more XRP? Maybe. I'm out of mana, meaning I'm out of beer. I don't have to buy more tonight. They might actually have one left in the fridge. I gotta check, but I'm not sure. Let's check out RSR. What is RSR doing? In the name of RSR is going on here, man? RSR 1.8. Coming down, dude. Again, 382. 50%. A drop again with the rest of crypto. 13%. Not super excited. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. That's fine. There's not a lot going on here on the daily. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low numbers at the lower point. Sold at 35.10. Not a lot. 1 hour chart. Low, lower, negative, less negative slightly, dude. 159, 150. Awesome. For those of you that wonder, what numbers is this magical wizard calling? First of all, I'm not a wizard. I'm friends with a leprechaun. Second of all, I'm looking at this number here, that number there, and I'm just reading the last digits, right? Wherever the number starts. So it says 15907, and then here it says 15025. So negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence. Actually, to the upside. We might go to the 20. Test at 1905. Like 1.905. So that's the target that I'm looking at right now. And then if we move there, we will be looking at the 50% at 1.98. Do we have this on the RSI? No, we're going lower, so that's fine. Do we do ADA today? No, we haven't, Steve. I'll check out ADA. Then Jake said, set yourself up for long term, 1, 2, 3 years, not short term. Make smart research investments with money you aren't afraid to lose. Yes, I agree with Jake. You should only invest that which you're not afraid of losing. If you really can't go to sleep at night and you have to keep an eye open on the market, you're probably overinvested or you haven't read the market properly. That's the only two reasons. If you're overinvested, obviously you're worried the market's going to drop and you're going to lose more than you can afford to lose. And if you didn't read the market right, you think it's going to drop, so you're going to be waiting for that drop, and it's not going to happen because you didn't read the market right. Everything is going to pump, and you're afraid it might not because you didn't read the market right. So get a good read in the market. Don't have anything that you're not willing to lose. It's not going to go to zero, right? Bitcoin's not going to drop to zero overnight. You're going to be able to exit. You're going to take a hit. So, that's it. Steve asks, honestly, I'm more waiting to accumulate more altcoin on Bitcoin. Right, so, look, dude, I'm not sure what your play is long-term. If you're wanting to trade on the intraday or in a week or something like that, then yeah, short-term investments are the way to go. And have a strategy, have a plan. Exit when you're supposed to exit and enter when you're supposed to enter, right? Have a good read on the market. If you're not wanting to do this and you're wanting to go long-term, right? You want to go long-term, like Jake's saying, 1, 2, 3 years. Then just buy and don't look at the markets until 2 or 3 years, right? You don't care what the market's gonna do. Plus, you don't care if you lose the money. So, no point in looking at the market every day if you're just going long term, right? You look at the market every day when you want to take opportunities. You want to add to your position with your existing money by exiting near a high and then trying to buy back in on a drop. That's how you make more. That's how you increase your position without increasing your money that you're investing in this, right? And if you do this successfully, at some point in time, you're going to be able to exit with your initial money and just keep your other money in. New is dropping. Yeah, dude. I'll check it out in a second, Andrew. I like swing trading. And then Jake says, I have more alts than Bitcoin. Alts can be the tool to acquire more Bitcoin. Yes, I agree. Steve, I'm much better at it in stocks. Yeah, stocks are a little bit easier to read and a little bit more predictable for swing trading. Yes, I agree with you. Also, if you do stocks, you could also do Forex. Forex is stable. You could get up to like 10% gains in a month, but it's still there. News dropping. Bitcoin and alts move so fast. I find you get wrecked a lot. Yeah, you have to have good stop losses and good exits. Hope it goes below 25. All right, let's go check out New again because RSR. That's it. We're done. RSR, we're no longer friends. Kidding. New US dollar dropping. Yeah, but it hasn't dropped to target, right? The 236. Like I said, I'm not sure if this is the local high, but I'm just trying to get some read on the market, and right now it's not super clear, right? Look, you want to look at this differently? I just saw something different. I'll show you. Come here. Come closer. Look at this. Oh, shit. Is that going to be triggering? No, it's not going to be triggering there. I'm going to have to go the other way. From here to here. Then here. Something like this. I'm trying to target something along these lines here on the top and then extend that over there. And this could be sort of like a rising channel. That could move all the way here to find support, right? We did find sort of support here as we're rising, and then support here, and resistance, and sort of support here. Then we just dropped, and now we became resistance. So it could also be that we're in a rising channel, just like I just drawn here. So, you know, I'm waiting for this thing to make a play, dude. I don't have a lot of information on this project. It could be that it's hype, right? If you look at this, it went really high. I'll show you something that also went really high, and I was just looking at it, and that is RSR, right? You can say, what? Yes, look at that. RSR when he came out. I'm not even sure I'm going to be able to see it clearly on the 1 hour. It already has a lot of data here on the 1 hour. But look at RSR when he came out, right? Started here at 2.3, went all the way up here to 3.1, and then it just took a drop, right? It's not the same, but it's still going up. And then it just massively went down, and now it's not near all-time lows, right? Nowhere near all-time lows. But it just dropped afterwards, right? And this was about 4 days of data, I think. So let me just measure from here to here, right? And we're looking at 6 days of data. So you still have 4 days of data in. Again, not a lot, but close enough to where you say, dude, something like this could happen, right? And I'm not sure because I don't know the project, but we could look at something similar. Let's go back to the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin getting out of the support resistance area. Great stuff. Again, here don't look as pretty, right? Here on the 1 hour, let me send this to the daily, because it's gonna make the 1 hour look weird. And I actually rather chart something just on the 1 hour for the 1 hour chart than have it come over from the daily. So we're looking at this here, right? That move there. Then here it is going slightly higher, so we might be getting a potential sort of symmetrical triangle forming here, right? Impulse up, sort of pennant forming right now. Again, on the daily it looks like a falling wedge. Here it looks like this. On the 4 hour it looks sort of like a down-sloping triangle. So yeah, it's the stuff that's going on, man. You know, crypto. Yay, way to go. Like I said, I'm hoping we have a slow weekend. I need a slow weekend for crypto, man. I just want a chill weekend. That is the truth, and nothing but the truth. 7 people, 7 likes. Awesome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for liking. If you like what we do, hit that like button, it's up. What else do you guys want to look at? I'm going to start looking at gold and silver. We haven't looked at those. We didn't look at those yesterday. Yesterday was a super quick stream. I had a super busy day yesterday. I had a super busy day today. But, you know, gold, what did he go? The 20. We called that out, like, I think, 2 days ago on the 3rd or the 2nd. So we hit the 20. We're rejecting slightly. That's fine. Sitting at $1,838 per ounce. That's fine. Silver at $24.18 per ounce. Got above the 20. Trying to head back to that 1618. So that's fine. Again, not a lot happening. We didn't have anything bullish here. Let's look at the rest of the markets. Dow up 248 points. What? Yes, still going higher. Still coming lower and still creating strong bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside on the Dow. US 30, so the Dow Live 193 points up still. Look at that. Wow, we're still going higher. We're still coming to negative and lower here on thin air because we know the economy got screwed, right? So how can the markets be pumping when this economy is screwed? So what's happening here? Again, same stuff, right? Like there, you know, target there. By the way, this is S&P 500 going up 32 points. And this, we've kind of lost it now, so it's fine. Let's go to London. London. Not a lot going on. At the bullish, didn't create anything here. Pumping, right? Oh, we have some hidden bullish now. Great. Great Scott, Marty. Go back in time. I'm going to go, like I shouldn't be carrying where it's anchored because I just look at this on the daily. Look at that hidden bearish. Sorry, action to downside. Starting to move down slightly. Nikkei down 58 points. Again, we had time high, all-time high, right? Short-term all-time high. All-time high was back in like 80 something. We said. Make Detroit great again. Hello, and can you take a look at VeChain when you get a chance? Yes, boy, we can look at that VeChain. Thank you for asking. We'll do wizardy magic here. Leprechaun magic, actually. Yeah, bearish divergence. So action to the downside. We're starting to move down slightly. Let's go look at Toronto. up 122 points. What sorcery is this? We still have strong bearish divergence. Now we have it even short term here. Waiting for that potential move down. Let's go do the chain. VET to the dollar. What? What is this? We called bearish divergence and we dropped. What? Yes, and look, we even had it anchored because it was slightly greener. But, you know, we just go there, and that's all good. Move down, drop below the 50% right now. We're trying to regain it. That's fine. What sorcery is this? We're neutral at 59.91 on the hour side. Let's go to the 4 hour because there's not a lot going on here on the daily. I don't think I missed anything. No, we're still positive, so I didn't miss anything. 4 hour chart. We had the bearish divergence, right? On the 30th. I don't think we looked at this since the 30th. We dropped on that. That's fine. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the hour side to higher point. No, we did look at this yesterday, so yeah. Then came higher, and positive, more positive, higher on the hour side to higher point, so we didn't have anything here. Then we're dropping, and I think finally we're creating something. Let's see this. 12,176, 118. No, still less. Negative, less negative, low on the hour side to higher point. Nothing freaking bullish. We're just on an uptrend, right? Look at that. I'll just highlight it, because it's there. The uptrend goes like that, and it goes like this here. Right, that's slightly like a rising channel, right? But again, uptrend. So that's fine. Where you see that bottom part? Oh snap! What did I do? VET. There we go. What if we do something that we can actually call here, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. See, we have something cooler. We have this bullish divergence, right? Hidden. Price action to the upside. We did take a rally. We hit the 20 at 10 p.m. yesterday, and then we took a drop because we rejected the 20. That's really fine. I'm not worried about this because look at this. This tracks onto here, that tracks onto there, and that moves onto there, and we still have the magical hidden bullish. And remember how I tell you guys that hidden bullish is one of those things that just can keep on dropping, and you can still be making it. We had it. What do we do on this hidden bullish that we made up again? Took a pump, hit the 20, and we rejected, and we dropped lower. And then we didn't have hidden bullish. We have strong bullish divergence against the MACD. That's it. Nothing against the mighty RSI. Just here, look at that. Low, or negative, less negative. We don't have it here. Low, lower, low, right? So again, strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside. We're taking that small rally, hitting the 20. It looks like we actually are hitting undecided right now. Look at it. Small body. It's a spinning top. Small body with 2 large wicks to either side. We still have 47 minutes to go on the candle. So there's a chance we could try to go up above the 20. We'll see where we go from there. But, you know, that's about it, dude. Sitting neutral on the RSI at 48.82. Right now, this would indicate action to the outside. We're starting to make this positive momentum. We had much more positive here, so high, low, positive goes positive, high on the other side to lower point, right? Again, moving up slightly right now at 1.65 cents. Well, let's hit Detroit, dude. There's not a lot going on with the V-Chain right now. Let me know if you want to look at something else. Leprechaun body feels a little bit weird here, dude. I never used this, actually. It's just weird that it's like, you know, I can't look this way because I have a leprechaun right there. But yeah. $300 subs. We still have 5 people watching. Wow, awesome. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. Here it tells me, welcome to the chat. Remember to guard your privacy and abide by the community guidelines. Make Detroit great again. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, bro. No worries, man. That's what we're here for. Thank you guys for being here. And liking and supporting the channel with your views. Anything else, guys? We're at 200, man. I'm super pumped because we got to 300 subs, dude. This is super exciting, so let me know. Even here, it's showing it now. Yes, 301. Mighty number. It's freaking cool, bro. Not a lot of people get to 300 subs. I did. Already in the house. Dude, what do you guys want to look at, man? Let me know, for reals. I'm just waiting on this awesomeness. Do we do ADA? Dude, I'm not sure. I don't think we have. Thank you, Steve, for asking me and reminding me, because I just freaking forgot. But let me go back to ADA. Ha 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 ha. ADA Cardano. I don't think we've done it today, but we'll do it right now. You step away for a minute. I don't think so. Let's go to the daily. Where do we go? You see this? We dropped. Where to? The mighty 14.99 area. We dropped below it. Right now we're recovering it. That's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on the other side to a higher point. Nothing bullish. Just this strong bearish divergence that's there. 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence. Moved down. Found support. Took a pump. Failed to go higher than the previous high. We took another drop to the 14.99 area. Because it was in discount. And then we're taking a small rally happening. That's fine. Low, lower, low. Negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence we're developing now. So that's good stuff, right? That's the stuff money's made of. Bullish divergence. And, well, you know, the Fed, ink, and paper. But, yeah. Look at that. Low, lower, low. So we just have this against the MACD, right? Strong bullish, potential action to the upside. We're starting to get that small rally. That's fine. Not a lot going on here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, getting above this area, trying to get above the 20. That's going to be good. Getting above the 20 is going to be good. Right, on the 4 hour, we're still below 20. We're likely going to it at 15.77. But on the 1 hour, we're now getting above it. And that's good. If we close above here, we might try to see that support to take a pump. Should be great. Last thing we had, we colored on December 3rd, right? We were live here, or here. We had the bearish divergence. We dropped. We didn't have anything bullish. That's fine. Didn't mind it. And we took a pop with the rest of crypto, hit the 20, rejected. What happens when we reject 20? Most of the time, we tend to look for lower areas of value. So we did. And what happened when we dropped lower? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. Wow, that sucks. 92,603. 89. Wow, yes, good stuff. So negative, less negative, even though it looks like it's going sideways, it is less negative. Just anchor this in the 1 hour chart. There we are. And look, low, lower, low. We also going lower here. So strong bullish divergence action to the upside. Starting to get that pop. Again, closing above the 20 is going to be key for this, right? If we close below the 20, it could bring another rejection, and again, more action to the downside. So if we move down, where are we going to go? Well, we're starting to make positive momentum. High, low, positive is positive. High on the other side to lower point. Nothing bearish. But let's say we reject here, and we come lower. Oh, snap. That's going to be the curve. I don't want to do that. I want the drawing tool. There we go, the brush. There we go. Let's say we go like that, right? Low, we'll go slightly lower or similar low. We're going to be making less negative momentum. With that, we could have some strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. Fast times at Bitcoin high. Victor Miller! Do you think the weekends will be times for Bitcoin to pull back as institutional buying will slow down? Yes, dude. It's actually something I was saying earlier on. I hope that the weekend is slow. I want a slow weekend just for like mental sanity. I don't want to be looking at the markets. I want to step away from them for a little bit. Yesterday I didn't have a lot of time to look at the markets. Today I didn't have a lot of time to look at the markets. I was super loaded with work, but I want a slow weekend, man. I'm not sure if we're going to get it. I want a slow weekend. And I don't think... I know what you're saying about institutions, but the people that handle that money, they know that crypto's a 24/7 business. So there's still people that are going to be taking place on the weekend because it's not traditional market. Institutional investors might go to sleep, but crypto's not going to go to sleep. And the people that handle that money, all the Grayscales and all those other companies, they probably know this, and you know they probably do take place on the weekend, you know. So I doubt you might not see institutional money coming in, but we still might see plays happening, right? At least that's my view right now. So that's what I think right now, right? So I'm hoping it's going to be a slow weekend, hopefully. Again, Bitcoin managed to get above this area. I'm trying to use it as support. Let's go, Bitcoin. Move high on your strong bullish divergence. Take advantage of it. At least get to the 20, dude. That's what I want Bitcoin to do. Get to the 20, and then we'll worry about it. Really, not a lot going on. We dropped. It was 5 in the morning. Since then, we dropped slightly more, making bullish divergence, but that's about it. It's not been a huge day for place to the upside, right? Look at this. This just dropped from here to here, like less than 1%, right? Most of the drop was here. Most of the drop from yesterday was from here to here, right? That was the like 2.90%, then just 88 here from here to here. So not a lot, not a huge drop after like I woke up, right? So for me, here I would have been fast asleep still, 5 in the morning. Screw that. I'm not gonna look at the market at the time. I have alerts that are gonna tip me off if something like weird happens if I get near my exit level. But since they don't trigger, I sleep good at night. Like if they trigger, I'll just wake up, go to the exchange, make sure that my stop loss executes, and go back to sleep. We're not gonna lose any sleep over crypto, that's for sure. So unless I'm expecting a huge pump that could come with pullback, and there's gonna be a quick play, the alerts sometimes are delayed, and then I might lose some sleep, but I'm not gonna lose any sleep right now. Yay, happy music. It seems the last few weekends it's trended down. I go to bed Sunday night and it's picked up by Monday morning. Yeah. Weekends, a lot of people don't trade. It's usually just bots trading. So we do tend to see that slight move down, very slow. And then Monday, money pumps back up. Yeah. We had a weekend that was crazy not too long ago. Let's go on the daily, dude. We'll look at what weekend went nuts. November 30th. It would have been a Monday, right? Then Sunday, Saturday, November the 20th. That would have been a Friday here. 17th, Tuesday. 5th, Thursday. October the 21st. That was a Saturday. This pump wasn't a Saturday, right? It was a 7.53% pump. And this again, November the 5th, would have been on a Thursday, so that's fine. Then this would have been a Saturday or Sunday the 8th, right? The 8th would have been a Sunday, and this was also a nice pump of 4%, so yeah. At some time, we're going to retest the 20-week average for Bitcoin. Yeah. That's what I'm aiming for. Not on the weekly, though. Look, the daily Bitcoin average is just moved up, right? So that's fine. It's caught up to us, so we're going to have immediate support. I'm worried when we lose that 20 on the daily and we start aiming for the lower ones, like the 50, the 100, and the 200. It's going to happen at some time. We know that so long as we stay above that 200 moving average, we're golden, right? We're not on the bear trend. So that 200, look at where it's at. It would imply a drop to 11,000, right? 11,688 for us to break below 200. So we're still bullish AF, right? As soon as we drop below this area, for me, it becomes the bear trend, right? And we can look at this, and we've established this before plenty of times in the stream. I'm trying to find a clearish chart. This one's more or less clear. Right, look at this. Above that 200, we're in the bull trend, right? Briefly broke below it, then we broke above it, and then we were on the bear trend for the longest time, right? From March 2018 all the way to April the 2nd, 2019, when we broke back up. Then this has this weird drop here, which I would ignore. But then we kind of moved below this area slightly. And I was worried about the bear trend here. And I was talking about it back then. And then we moved back above it, finally, really taking off and going away from it. And like I said, this is the good stuff, right? This is when we're away from there and we're in the bull market. So, also if you remember, I talked about this pattern here, right? This pattern going like this, and 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 this. Like that, right? So if I were to grab this and put it here more or less, right? See what I'm getting to, right? Again, just exaggerate this slightly more, but we're getting more or less the same flow. And that's what I was talking back here, right? I said, look, this is the same flow that we're getting. I'm not saying we're going to go here by any means, but that's the flow that we're getting right now, right? So there's a chance that this part here, it's more or less a copy of this happening here. But even here we had that small pullback here. And that happened from this low to this high of 108%, and then we dropped from here to here, right? 14%. So from here to here, we're going 100, right? So it's almost that same rise that I was measuring here, right? So here's 100 from this low to this high. And again, from here to here, right? The 111, right? So again, from here to here. From here to here, right? We're looking at this part here where we'll go ballistics. And the rest of the stuff, like I said, it's more or less similar. I think I've taken measures before. Like from here to here is going to be high. 203. We're not going to get that here by any means, right? Because we know we didn't go up to 105. 94. So that's fine there. Then from here to here would have been 125. So from here to here, we know we didn't get that as well. We just got 30%. But again, more or less same flow, right? And then you just took that massive pump, and then we're taking this pump here, which is kind of similar to this rally here. Right, so we still got this to go if this is to repeat itself. I'm not saying it's going to do that, but just extrapolating data and looking at that chart and putting, like if we were trying to overlay that over here, I would be saying that, yeah, it could go ballistics. But I'm not sure that's going to be the case right now. We haven't gotten above the all-time highs. So first things first, right? Let's get above the all-time highs, and that's where we're going to go. Before there, everyone's just freaking guessing, right? Everyone's, you know, haven't gotten above the all-time high. We did get on a couple of exchanges, right? You know, I'm just going to clear that out. But that's it. We're still waiting for this to define itself. So, yup, we've been live for an hour and 26 minutes. Thank y'all for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. Show some love to the stream, man. I think 20k will fight as hard as 10. Yeah, 20k is going to be a good fight, man. It's the psychological resistance, right? A lot of people might be willing to get out there. So yeah, I agree with you. It's going to be a resistance for sure, man. For sure. Good stuff. Got a couple of people watching. That's awesome. Papa Boy get pushed below a bunch of times. Yeah. Could be, dude. That's why we've been rejecting this area, right? We got so close, dude. We got to 19,940. We're like 59 buckaroos away from our target. On this chart, right? On the Gemini chart. So that's fine, really. Not super worried about it. So, should that be it for tonight? Let me know in the chat if you want to keep this stream going, or if you just want to, like, you know, go to bed peacefully, streaming about crypto and where we could go. Again, look at Bitcoin, right? On the daily. It looks like we're doing a falling wedge on the 1 hour again, symmetrical triangle. We hit that bottom part. We should be heading to this top part of the triangle at 19,400 and change. We could wake it. That's going to get us above a couple of 20s, right? The 20 on the... oh, snap. It's not showing. Why can I... Okay, the 20's down here on the 4 hour. What? 20 on the 1 hour, dude. Oh, we're still above it there. What the hell, dude? Oh, I have the 200. That's why it's all weird. I was like, no, we're below the 20. What am I looking at? There we are. So look at that, right? We're hitting the 20 now. Again, I called for that move. Remember, I said we're going to hit the 20 on Bitcoin. We just did. Live. Ha ha ha. And I called it back here at 9. An hour earlier, I saw into the future, and you know, Seamus Powers said, "Do this." So getting off the 20, like I said, right, could give us some support and then move back up, right? On the 4 hour again, we still got to get to a 20. That 20 is going to be resistance at 19,105. What is bad? Bad is a magical thing where dreams come true. And magic stuff happens. And sometimes babies are made. Not sure if I should buy in tonight or wait for better days. For better buys, sorry. Yeah, look. Kind of leave an entry set up, bro. You know, if you believe it's going to go above certain area, buy in. If not, you know, or you can buy in and put a stop loss and, you know, just put it like a 5% below target. 3%, 2%, whatever you deem worthy of the risk you're going to take, and plan your exit, right? And put a stop loss. Get in and put a stop loss. If it triggers, you're out. If it crashes too fast, it might not trigger, but set up an alert near your stop loss. It wakes you up, and you're able to, like, make sure your stop loss triggers. If not, manual trigger it. And if it goes up, then you're already set in, right? So, yeah. This is more for longer term. Wow, yeah, dude. Look, if it's 1,000... Sorry, if it's 19,000, or where are we at? 18,926. Best answer ever. Yeah, thanks, man. If it's more for a longer term, yeah, if it's more for a longer term, and you believe Bitcoin can get to like 100,000, 200,000, does it matter if you bought at 18,000 at 148, or if you bought at 17,000 or like 19 or 20,000? I think it's just gonna be minuscule. I mean, yeah, it's gonna matter a lot, those fractions of Bitcoin. But what if it gets above 20k and you cannot back? I'm just gonna put FUD on you. I'm just gonna like revert with you with FUD and FOMO. What if it gets above 20k and it gets below, right? You would have missed your opportunity to buy in. I mean, I'm just messing around with you, right? Anyways, dude, I mine $1 a day. I was gonna take you 18,852 days to get above the current Bitcoin price. That's gonna take you a while, bro. Look for something else to mine that is more profitable than Bitcoin, and then convert it into Bitcoin, right? That's what I would suggest that you do. It's not investment advice. Again, it's just a mining advice. But you should look for something that's more profitable, that gets you more than $1 a day on whatever coin, and transfer that into Bitcoin. If you can do that, you're gonna be more profitable than mining Bitcoin, right? Just mine anything that's SHA, 256 compatible, and then just go with that, right? I just use NiceHash for my homework. Alright, cool. Jake can probably point you to something else. Jake mines a lot, so I'm not sure if Jake's around, but if Jake's around, he can point you to something. I've tried a bunch. Wow. Yeah, I'm not sure, bro. Again, it's entirely up to you, man. Hey, like piano music. Let's play something else. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to close above the 20, but we still have a long time to go. 27 minutes to burn on the candle. Let's see if we can get above there. Can we look at NIM? Sure. Here's Invader NIM. I'm kidding. It's Invader Sim. We're gonna look at NIM. 1 second. I'm just goofing off because why not? It's a fun stream tonight. It's a 300 sub stream. Oh, it's a chat NIM. NIM to the dollar. Why not? Let's do it on the daily, man. On the shorter time scales, it's just looking weird, but bearish divergence, action to downside, that's fine. Move to a 20, try to bounce. Rejected, move to a 20 again, moving down again. Some gap up on the opening price, moving down. That's what's happening here, right? That's why this is red all the way through. We gapped up, and then we moved down. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low, there, set to higher, low. Nothing here on the daily. So let's go to the 4 hour. And here's where it becomes extremely, extremely messy, dude. By the way, this one hit BTC. I might have better NIM USD. It's just showing like KuCoin might be better, but it's against Tether. Let's do this. Right on. So bearish divergence, we move down. Low, slightly lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point, that's fine. Low, lower, negative. More negative, low, slightly lower. Yeah, lower definitely. So nothing bullish right now. Nothing bearish. Right? High, lower, high, positive, less positive, high, and there's that lower point. Nothing bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour. KuCoin. Alright, cool. I'll do it on KuCoin. NIM USD. Invader NIM. Right on. Let me move this up to where I have my other NIM, so that way I have them together. And we can do this. Mimic. To the tether. Like a feather. There we go. Not a lot of data, but, high, low, bearish divergence. Watch out. At 0.25 cents, so quarter of a cent. There we are on the daily. Bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside, that's fine again. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there, side, hard point. We have it here. 65.69, 65.07. Yeah, bearish divergence also. Action down. We got that. Let's go to the 4 hour. Low, higher low, negative plus negative low on their side to lower point. Right, some hidden bullish here. Right, from in here and from here to here. Right, action to the upside. We got the small pump, rejected 20, tried to get above. High, low, positive, positive, high on their side to lower point. Where are we at here? Let's see. Definitely here we're higher and we're creating some hidden bullish. More hidden bullish divergence. Let's just anchor this to the 4 hour chart. I forgot to anchor the other stuff, so now I have to go and like clean this up real quick. Sorry guys. Time is precious. There we are, bro. And you know, lower. What's the lowest we got here? 146. 141, slightly less. So you know, we don't have anything here against the MACD. But you know, hidden bullish. Right, potential action to the upside, at least to 20, that 20 being at 25. 25.87. It's a good chunk pump from where it's at. Percentage-wise, it should be good, like 3%. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh no. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side to a lower point. Because we created some strong bearish. The strong bearish divergence came into play. There we are, right? There we are, and here we go as well. Look at that. Snap. Strong bearish divergence, move down to that. Trying to recover her flag. Not really liking this yet because you know it has some weight, some like openings here, but at least it looks like it's upsloping. So impulse up, down, impulse down. Upsloping consolidation is a bearish flag, right? So we're looking for potential moving down. Restream. Congratulations, you received 100 messages today with Restream chat. Yeah, dude, records being broken today. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, right? Low on the other side, lower point. That's fine, dude. Back here, we do have this on here. I cannot ignore it. So that's it, dude. That's it for NIM. Bearish divergence. There's nothing bullish right now. Victor, I was looking with a coworker. I was going to make a Bitcoin space heater for my office while I'm stuck working from home. How are you going to make a Bitcoin space heater? I'm not sure. Is it going to be a space heater shaped in the, like, Bitcoin shape? Like a B with, like, the 2 bars going through it? Let me know, because I'm curious. I'm intrigued now. A space heater. Yeah, one just on my computer. Wow. That's cool. I don't have a space heater. I really... It's very weird for me to get cold, but... When I get cold, I just put on a jacket, that's it. For I am a manly man, and I have no fear to the cold. It has 320mm fans to move air through it. That's cool, bro. Here's your entire living room. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting there, right? Because you produce a lot of electricity with that. So yeah, for sure, man. You could heat up a small space, I guess, or I'm not sure how big your living room is, but at least with some mining rigs, you can get a lot of heat to be good enough to like cool off a good space. Anyways, so I was just getting some Bitcoin mining hardware and running. Right, that's cool. Yeah. I think Steve got me there because he already knew what you were talking about. I was just, you know, messing around. 300 square feet. Wow, that's pretty good size to heat up with that mining rig. I don't have space heaters. I have one. I never use it though. And usually if it gets too cold, it just goes in my kid's bedroom. That's it. Bitcoin rejecting the 20. Oh no, we knew that could happen, right? That's what I don't want to happen. This is what I don't want to see. Because that could mean potential move down still. I mean, we're gonna have support here. We're in an area of support resistance, but I want to see this go back to this triangle. Honor it for what it is. What it could do, the worst case scenario, is it disrupts lower, right? Slightly lower, and we ended up creating some kind of like falling wedge, and that's it, right? So, you know, not super worried about it yet. Like I said, I want to see it do above the 20. I just want to go and have a nice weekend, nice and calm, and then just be here tomorrow night again. Yo, but by the way, thank you all for being here. And if you like what we do, hit that magical like, that sub, and that awesome bell. We have 7 people watching. Thank you for being here. Not sure who's watching, but if you're watching, thank you for being here. If you have any questions, you can go in the chat. We're a friendly channel. I won't bite you, but my leprechaun buddy here might. He's a feisty one. He likes to fight. I'm a peaceful man. Anyways, could run up again, hopefully. Yeah. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. We're live. We had fun. We hit 301 subs. That's freaking awesome. I'm super grateful for you guys for subbing to the channel, for coming here every night, for chilling with me, for talking, for like listening to what I have to say. You know, and that's pretty cool. Thank you, Jake, for being here. Thank you, Victor. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Andrew. Trying to see who else stopped by. Thank you, Make Detroit Great Again. And Rich Satoshi, dude. Thank you guys for being here. You guys are amazing. Is the leprechaun gonna tell us where the potable is? No, it's not. Actually, he's already drunk. He doesn't know where he's at. That's how I caught him. No, he just came out to celebrate the 300 sub stream. So it's pretty cool. But it's a tiny little leprechaun that's here on the shoulder. He might come out more often depending on how the stream started to go. Like, you know, if like things trigger, or like, you know, we get above a certain number of stuff, or, you know, donations or whatever comes through, he might come out a little bit more often to play. Still, you know, trying to figure out how to integrate him into the stream, because he's been sitting on a shelf for like ever, man, for like 6 years, I think. So he hasn't come out to play. He never went to a St. Paddy's Day festival. That's the saddest part of his life. He was born in a factory in China, probably. And then he was just stay there forever, man. Let me see where he was born. He actually has even his like his coat. Yeah, he was actually made in Shenzhen, China. He might even have some chips to you know. I'm not sure. Track what I do and trade. People trying to be spying on me with a 6-year-old leprechaun, right? And he has these very, very long arms, so he can like hug the neck and sit there, right? That's pretty cool. Like the cocktail was like in, and I think that's why he kept on falling, and now he has more support, which is cool. And I think he feels better there. He invented COVID. No, he's a peaceful guy. He told me so. He's a wee bit leprechaun. He's good. Yeah, but for reals, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for chilling, joking, talking, requesting stuff, making the stream interactive for me, because like before you guys came in a while back in history, it was just me talking to myself, and it was like, you know, weird. Some people would come in from time to time, and it was fun, but you know, it's much more fun now that you guys are here and you chat and you interact, and it just makes it so much worthwhile to be here, because it was painful just to be here and talking to myself. Like those streams are like the ones I hate the most, because there's really not a lot of interaction going on. I just do what I have to do, and that's it. But when there's interaction, it just makes it so much better, right? Steve's saying I was here a lot. Well, you weren't here at the beginning, bro. Like, back in, like, before December of last year, it used to be a pain. Like, really. I know you guys have been here for a while. Sometimes it's just you chatting. Yeah, I know, dude. Sometimes it's you chatting, but that makes a world of difference on my end, for reals. When there's no interaction, it just feels like it's me just talking to the camera, and that's it. When you guys come in, it really, really makes it a big difference. It makes it so much more entertaining and so much more fun for me to be here. And that's why I'm grateful for you guys, because you come in here and you help me out with this. So it's cool. You start in September. Yeah, I can't remember exactly when you started. Like, wow, that's a while back then. Like, Benny used to be here a while back also. He stopped coming. He comes every now and then. And a long, long time ago, there was just this guy named Christian that used to come in. Like the first couple streams, like the first month or so. And like I think with him, I did like almost a 4-hour stream. Like one of my first streams was like very lengthy. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, it used to be like a lot of people used to come here. Yeah, Sean Christian. It was like a while back. So blast from the past. First people that started on the channel, and then he stopped coming. But yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting, talking with me. If you like what we do, hit the like that button, that sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Friday night. Again, I'll be here tomorrow night for Saturday. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. I hope you found it educational and entertaining. Again, remember, nothing that we say here, it's investment advice. It's all for entertainment and educational purposes only. Victor Miller, I enjoy being here. Thank you for the stream and for the hard work. Thank you, man. Thank you for coming here. That's all the reward that I need. And like I said, thank you guys for being here. All of you. I already thank you individually, each one of you. Thank you for being here. Again, if you like what we do, like I said, hit that like, that button, that sub. I'll be here tomorrow again. I'm not sure if the Leprechaun body's going to come out. We probably need to set targets for him to come out, and depending on whether or not we reach them, he'll come out to play, and then, as you know, those targets get reach easier every time. I might have to increase them to keep it more interacting, and make sure he comes out like when it's worthwhile. Thank you guys for being here again, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.